Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to extract the maximum or minimum value from a numerical dataset within Excel. So here I've got a list of exam scores by students, and I quickly want to know what the highest and lowest value is from the list. So to do this, I'm going to enter a formula within Excel. So in cell F3, I'll start typing equals min, open brackets, select the numerical values, so that's from B2 to B18, close brackets, hit enter. The number is 37, so that means that out of the numerical values that I've chosen, the lowest value is actually 37. So we can do the same thing again and get the highest value from this. So if we do equals max, open brackets, select the list of values, close brackets, hit enter. So that value is 66. So there's a student in the list that's got value of 66. Another way that we could have solved this is if we sorted this list by exam score. So if we go to cells B2, it's important to click somewhere on the second row within this data set. If we then click data and then A to Z over here, it basically ranks the students by their exam scores, and then we can see that Stephen actually had the lowest exam score and Krish had the highest exam score, 66, which corresponds to the values which we had computed in cells F3 and F4. If you'd like to download the template, please find the description below. Thanks. Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to extract the maximum or minimum value